Bye-bye, Daddy.
Okay. Kiss na ko, mami.
Daddy, kiss si Mommy or Margo?
Kiss,
Mateo?
Margo.
Ha?
Kiss Matthew's bubut.
Oh, kiss.
Oh, mga kabubot. Oh, you got pupo.
Oh, kiss Mateo Bubot.
I'm going to hurt na.
Kiss Mateo Bubot. Kiss Mateo Bubot.
Kiss na.
Kailangan ni umulakaw kay dagan ka kay ritual.
You, move. You see you tomorrow, okay?
This bubut is not stinky.
Oh, kiss na kay is not
Clean you up,
sinky.
Bye-bye.
No.
What?
Hug.
Why?
Hug.
I'm going to work na.
Hug na, Daddy.
Hug na. Okay.
Super hug.
Aww.
You love your daddy so much?
Yeah.
Mwah. Okay na.
Nose.
Bye-bye. Ay.
Eyes.
Church.
Ears.
Okay
Ears.
na. Bye na. Love you.
Bye-bye. Ears.
Bye-bye.
Come back.
Gaya, okay.
Ears.
Natutuloy.
Nose.
No, pag yun. Taganang.
Lips.
No, my bubut.
Oh no! It's stinky, bubot!
Sige na, kayo.
Bubot.
Hug. Power hug. Safe.
hug.
Drive safe, Daddy.
Okay na. Power hug na kayo. Ay, subukat naman na niya.
Say love you na, Daddy.
Bye, love you, bye.
Oh.
I forgot the hug.
Oh. Help you.
Please.
Okay. Here you go.
Love mo ka kasandor.
Okay.
Best friend mo la, best friend.
Okay na.
Aww.
It's okay na.
Love you.
Mommy and Margo and Matthew.
Power hug.
Okay, power hug. Ay! Power hug.
Power hug. I love you so much, Daddy.
Mommy.
Ayun na.
Daddy and
Tuot na.
Mano. Best
Okay.
friends forever.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Hug.
Power hug. Oh, stinky, bubot.